Some artworks don't just decorate a space, they define it. Panchatattva, Vastu Symbolism by Della. Indran is inspired by the ancient Indian philosophy of earth, water, fire, air, and space, elements believed to shape balance and harmony. Each color is intentional. Earth tones ground the space, blues introduce calm and flow, ochres and reds energize, lighter hues create openness and breadth. Created in acrylic on canvas, this contemporary abstract work is designed for collectors who value meaning, depth, and enduring presence. A statement piece for homes, offices, and spiritual environments, where art is not just seen, but felt every day. Discover the artist. Discover the story.